Hi, this is Josh Kirby with MarineMax Long Island. Today we're looking at a brand new 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. This whaler comes with the classic white hull, twin Mercury 300 Verado 4-stroke motors. Very large area back here for fishing or whatever you would like to do. This one comes with a grill, comes with the fridge, sink, have your generator, two large Raymarine video screens for your electronics, joystick control, let's take a look inside. Very large space here underneath, plenty of room for headroom. The kitchen setup, sink, cooktop. Got another fridge here, plenty of space underneath. Large, well-appointed head. If you'd like to find out more about this boat, come see us in person down here at MarineMax of Long Island. Thank you.